Beautiful day, beautiful day, beautiful day. What's going on? Let's go see the vibe. Alright, yeah. Hello. We're home. Woo. So guys, this is the Pontiac Vibe. This will be the spring to summer project. Yeah, it's be running at the starting of summer. It's the SIR project. We got some 17-inch upgraded wheels yesterday. Yeah, we're gonna paint. I'm not sure what color yet, but yeah. So this is the vibe, guys. We're gonna pull the gearbox. We're gonna head to the junkyard, grab us that new gearbox. See you in a bit. Now guys, junkyard. We're here for some cosmetics. Yeah, we need cosmetics for the Pontiac Vibe. This is where we are. Be back in a sec. Well guys, just left the junkyard. We got us a JDM 5-speed limited box right here. So we're gonna get it all cleaned up. Yeah.
Of your music?
Money. I mean, how much is a lot of money to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
You have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life forever.